Everybody has been wondering how simulated spot process looks like when screen printed. What is simulated spot process? This process utilizes traditional spot colors in a manner that blends them together with halftones and gradients. This is much more of a file preparation on computer and press-friendly, making the ability to print high-end images. This style of printing is not only easy to learn, but fun to work with. In this video, I will introduce step-by-step process on how to screen print simulated spot colors. Step 1. The design is created. First things first, make sure you have chosen your design or artwork ready. This part is where you apply simulated spot colors into your artwork. Make necessary edits on your artwork through any editing software. Step 2. The screen is prepared. The printer will burn or print your artwork in a mesh screen. And guess what? You don't need any film or emulsion. Simply stretch the mesh screen accordingly in the frame, making sure it's tight and balanced on each side. Do the same process for the rest of the screen. Step 3. Print your artwork. This screen maker is a user-friendly printer, easy and fast. Simply insert your frame, making sure it fits well, and adjust to tighten or lock the frame to prevent it from moving during printing process. Just send your artwork from computer to the printer and click Start button to start printing. This printer will simply burn the screen accordingly to the design you created. Do the same process for the rest of the screen. Within 200 seconds, you will see precise and accurate registration on your image. Step 4. Proceed with screen printing. Once you have all your screen printed, you may now proceed with your screen printing. First, go ahead and test print for your registration marks. The registration mark will help you align each of your image from different screen. This is done to make sure each image on different screens will be printed at the same exact position to prevent ghosting. Once you're all set, go ahead, cover your registration marks with a tape to proceed with your final printing. In here, we use 3 colors. And you're done! Detailed capture, accurate registration, and vibrant colors. And that completes the entire process of screen printing simulated spot colors. If you have any questions or inquiries, just leave your comment below or call us directly. This is Sexcraft, your #1 garment decoration and textile printing solutions. Like and subscribe!